In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit USD into your Binance US account. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started with cryptocurrency, knowing how to fund your account is a vital step in your trading journey. So let's dive right in and break down the process to make it as smooth and straightforward as possible. To begin, you'll need to log into your Binance US account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, and if you're on a secure device, navigating this step should be quick and easy. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to head over to your wallet. On the Binance US platform, you'll find the Wallet tab prominently displayed. Click on this and then select Fiat and Spot. This is where you'll manage your currency deposits and withdrawals. In the Fiat and Spot section, you're looking to deposit funds, so go ahead and click on Deposit. You're then presented with the option to select your desired currency. In this case, you'll want to choose USD. After selecting USD from the currency list, it's time to decide on your deposit method. Binance US offers two primary methods for depositing funds: bank transfer via ACH or a wire transfer. Both options are reliable and have their pros and cons in terms of fees and processing times. With your preferred method chosen, the next step is to enter the amount you wish to deposit. Take a moment to ensure the amount is correct and aligns with your trading strategy or investment plans. From here, if you haven't already linked your bank account to Binance US, you'll need to follow the instructions provided to set this up. Linking your bank account is typically a one-time process where you'll verify account information to ensure that everything is secure and ready for transactions. Once your bank account is linked and you've entered your deposit amount, it's time to confirm the deposit. Double check all the details, as accuracy is crucial in financial transactions. After confirming, your role is complete for now, and you simply need to wait for the funds to appear in your Binance US account. The processing time can vary depending on the deposit method you selected, but rest assured you can easily track the progress in your transaction history, and that's it. You've successfully initiated a USD deposit into your Binance US account, paving the way for your trading and investment endeavors. Remember, each step is integral to ensuring the security and efficiency of your deposit process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has equipped you with the knowledge and confidence to manage your Binance US account effectively. If you have any further questions or need additional support, feel free to reach out to the Binance US support team.